Stir. Meaning, to mix food or liquid by moving a spoon in circles. So how do we use it? Here are some examples. Stir the soup, please. Keep stirring until it's smooth. Stir the coffee before you drink it. Garnish. Meaning, add something on top to make it look and taste better. Can you think of an example? Don't forget to garnish the plate. Let's garnish it with a slice of lemon. Garnish the curry with some fresh coriander. Spread. Meaning, to move the batter around so it covers the pan evenly. Can you think of how to use it? Spread it around in a circle. Use the ladle to spread it thin. Gently spread the batter evenly. Slice. Meaning, to cut something into thin, flat pieces. Here's a real-life example for you. Can you slice the bread? How thick should I slice it? Please slice the cheese, not too thick. Season. Meaning, to add salt, pepper, or spices to improve flavor. Now it's time for some examples. Don't forget to season the soup. Can you season the chicken a bit more? I like to season my food with soy sauce. Flatten. Meaning, to make something flat or thinner by pressing or rolling it. Here are a few examples. Use a rolling pin to flatten it. Let's flatten it a bit more. I like to flatten it with my fingers. Thanks for watching.